How are you feeling now?
It was amazing. This is our first time to Bali Yatra, and we are from Indonesia.
Which dance you perform?
Balinese dance, we call it Gadung Kasturi. Yes, it's from Bali, Indonesia. Okay.
Say something about your costume.
Kayak bunga. Maybe this costume present like flowers in the garden, and we call it Kasturi flowers. Yes.
That's it. Come, Bali Yatra can be like that. How are you feeling the Bali Yatra?
We love the crowd. Bali Yatra is
It's amazing.
it's amazing, and about the festival is amazing. The people's also very good, very good, very good, very nice.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.